Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and now I need download driver Canon. Type here for the Canon MAXIFY this here for serial, and you type here for the driver download. Okay, and please why I'm search the official website for you. I am like download the official website. The official website make a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here not support for official website, and you remove for download title, and this here for official website. MAXIFY, this here for the official website. You click here, okay, and this here for the tag automatic your operating system, my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Linux, and this here for the Linux version, okay, all the version for the Linux, and this here for the new version for the Linux. This year for the version for the Windows new, this year for Windows 11 and Windows 10 and Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 7 for support. And this video I need download driver for the Windows 11 new version for Windows. If you need the download for the Windows 11, this here for the Windows 11, and this video I need download the. If you need download Windows 10, this here for the Windows 10. This video I need download the for Windows 11 new version for the Windows, and this here for the printer serial driver, and this here for the printer firmware update and software, and this here for the software editor, easy layout, easy master setup. And this video recommendation for you. If you need to print, you click here. This here for the print printer. Click here, and please one you scroll down. This here for I have ready. You click download, and this here for you try for download. If you need install driver for the U printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC, the type USB cable printer, and press Y finish there for the one. If you finish there for the load, you will click file. You click next. You click finish. This here for the tag automatic your operating system. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description the video. If you need the Mac operating system for the Linux, this here for the printer driver for Linux user guide. Okay, and this here for the Mac user guide. Okay, if you need, thank you for watching and share my video. Bye bye. See you by next time.